Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Chef Jason Morris, your Ace Hardware Grill Expert. I'm hanging out with Leon today here at Highlands Ranch Ace Hardware, and we are getting ready for another one of our
Red Vest approved videos.
You got it, awesome. Stay tuned, we got a lot of cool stuff coming your way. All right, here we go. It is food flyover time like we always do, and we're showing off turkey burgers today. But one of the cool things about the turkey burgers is I think every week I get a great gift package from my friends at the Grommet, and the Grommet sent me these cool shaping stores that are fantastic. Look at this guy. This makes 8 4-ounce burgers. This one makes 4 8-ounce burgers. You have the Meatball Master back there. I'm probably never rolling a meatball ever again. And then they sent me this one, the Smart Cookie. So now I can fill it, freeze it, bake it, and I have the most wonderful cookie pucks ever. So we're gonna be cooking with some Jennie-O turkey today. We're making a really good world's best turkey burger. We're gonna pack them into the Burger Masters, get them all seasoned up, and then we're gonna serve them on, look at that, King's Hawaiian bun with a little bit of lettuce, tomato, onion, and some of our friends at True Pickle, their beautiful bread and butters. We're gonna show off our Rub-A-Dub and Oink Rubs today, and then we're gonna top it with a little bit of high altitude and low country. So we got a lot of cool stuff for you. Well, we've got a little bit of our mise en place set up here, and we've got our King's Hawaiian buns ready. Those are already split. We have a little bit of green romaine lettuce, which we like. And you know another good option? Iceberg lettuce. The great thing about iceberg lettuce is, little iceberg lettuce in here, you get that beautiful juicy squish of lettuce. We've got a little bit of onions, and we're gonna shave these guys just thin enough so that they stay together, but not so thick that an hour later you're wishing you didn't have a lot of onions, right? And then the next thing we have some beautiful hothouse tomatoes, and we're gonna do the same thing on those. I love just a classic burger with a little bit of lettuce, tomato, onion, and like I said, some of our bread and butter pickles. So this is our mise en place. Next up, we're gonna hit on the grill here and get these burgers going, and then we're gonna finish it up. We have a little garnish for you as well, and we'll be back with the world's best turkey burger. All right, now we're ready to go. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take 2 pounds of ground turkey, and we're actually gonna push our 2 pounds of turkey down into our mold like this. Make sure we get it somewhat flat. We don't have to do too much because the Burger Master is going to do the rest. But basically, once you get it set in there, we are ready to go. And what we're gonna do is, we're gonna take a little bit of our Oink seasoning, and we're gonna season these patties up ahead of time, because now the nice thing is, we have a chance to season these burgers and let them go and get some flavor. Now, we're gonna go ahead and close this, get this all packed in here nice and neat. And look at that, we're gonna push down on it, we're gonna lock all the edges down here a little bit, and now we're ready to go. The great thing about this, guess what I can do with this now? I can pop this in my fridge, I can set this in my cooler, I can make burgers today, for tomorrow, all the mess is done. Everything is set and ready to go. And then when I'm ready for my burgers, look at this. They are already formed and set to go. All I do, push up from the bottom, and my burger comes out. That is super ingenious, and the best part about it is, like I said, slides right into my refrigerator, and this is dishwasher safe. I can wash it in the sink, I can wash it in the dishwasher, totally safe and ready to rock and roll. All right, when we come back, we're gonna take these burgers out of here. We're gonna grill them quick on our Weber. We're working with our Weber today, and then we'll show you how to finish off the Burger Master into our world's best turkey burger. We made our burgers last night. We're getting ready to open them up today, and look at that. Beautiful and easy, right? That's what we like. Then all I do is pop these guys out. Look at that, I've got a beautiful set turkey burger. We're gonna put that here on our Weber. We're gonna go ahead and put it on our sear station here so we can get a lot of good sear going on in that burger. But there you have it, really from ground turkey to into the Burger Master to onto your grill. Super easy and fast. All right, let's give them a look. What we're looking for here is, once they start to turn a little bit white around the edges, we know we are in a good place and we're ready to flip. So I loosen it up just a little bit, I give it a flip, and now we're set. And if they come apart a little bit, that's okay. Push it back together, leave it, you're still gonna end up with a very wonderful burger. We're cooking here today with 93.7, so 93% lean, only 7% fat, so very nice, light, and healthy turkey burger. We're gonna close this because look, it ain't cooking, and let the rest of these guys finish up. All right, now that we've got them all flipped, we're gonna add a little bit more Oink to this side. I wanna get the flavor going on this side as well, and not a lot. We're gonna add just a little or as much as we like, but we're gonna go ahead and add the Oink. We're gonna close it. Next up, we're gonna get our buns on, so let's go ahead and do that. Once I flip it, I like to put the buns on the top rack here. Let's get these guys a little bit of toast going on. Everybody loves a burger on a toasted bun. So there you have it. We will close this up. We'll come back in a minute and we'll get ready to plate up our burgers. We went ahead and already started one of these burgers ahead of time for you. We're gonna finish the last two up so you can see what we did, but I'll tell you what, these turkey burgers cook fast. This one, we topped with a little bit of horseradish cheddar. And this one here is just our plain everyday burger. We have our oink rub on both. Now, here comes the fun part. We're gonna add a little bit of onion to these guys. We added lettuce, tomato, onion, pickle to those. We're gonna add a little bit of our 50-50 barbecue sauce, which is a 50-50 blend of our high altitude and our low country, and we mix those together. It makes a great Carolina. So here we've got a beautiful Carolina onion and turkey burger. The next one up, let's do this pristine, right? Let's just do this beautiful and easy with some sweet bread and butter pickles. Look at that right there, right? And then the next thing is, let's go ahead and add a little bit of shredded lettuce to the top. We get a beautiful squish out of that, and we are set to go. So there you have it. I mean, look at that. 4 powerhouse turkey burgers, definitely designed to be super easy. We made them fast in the Burger Master, got them all seasoned, let them store overnight. They soaked up a ton of flavor, and then we finished them off hot and fast on the Weber grill. So that's it. I'm Chef Jason Morris, your Ace Hardware grill expert. This has been another one of our Red Vest approved videos. And where can you download this recipe? Well, you can go to acehardware.com, and up in the tips and advice tab, click in the search bar, type in recipes. You'll find this recipe and more. We have a ton of recipes for you to download. And how do you know? How do you subscribe to our YouTube channel? Well, head over to the Ace Hardware YouTube channel and click on the little bell, subscribe, enter your email. That will notify you when our next Red Vest approved video is live and ready for you. And once again, thanks so much for taking the time out to cook with us. We love cooking with you. We hope you enjoyed this. And thanks to our friends at the Grommet for this beautiful Burger Master here. If you're looking where to find the Burger Master, you can go to thegrommet.com and buy the Burger Master, or check with your local Ace Hardware as well. This is such a great tool. I look forward to storing a lot of burgers in that and cooking a lot of burgers while we're out camping this season. So once again, I'm Chef Jason Morris, your Ace Hardware grill expert. Have a great grill season, and we'll see you at our next Red Vest approved video.